In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove an admin member from your ClickUp Workspace. Managing team members in ClickUp is essential to ensuring that your workspace runs smoothly and that everyone has the appropriate permissions. Now, let's walk through this process together. Start by navigating to your ClickUp Workspace. You'll notice the workspace name is prominently displayed at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on the workspace name. This will take you directly to your main workspace overview. It's important to start here as you'll be accessing the list of members from this section. Once you're in your workspace view, turn your attention to the sidebar or menu that typically sits on the left-hand side of the screen. In this menu, look for the option labeled People. Clicking on People will direct you to the section dedicated to managing your team members. Here, you'll find an overview of everyone currently associated with your workspace, including their roles and permissions. As you scroll through the list of members, identify the admin member you wish to remove. Next to each member's name, you'll see three small dots, often referred to as the More Options menu or ellipses. Click on these three dots for the admin member you are looking to delete or remove. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with various options related to managing that particular user. Among the options presented, you'll find one that says either Revoke Admin or Remove. Choosing Revoke Admin will change the member's role from admin to a standard team member, effectively removing their admin privileges without completely eliminating their access to the workspace. If you select Remove, this choice will entirely remove them from your workspace, revoking all permissions and closing off access. Decide which option suits your needs and click it. It's worth mentioning a couple of tips for managing your members efficiently. Regularly audit your team list to ensure that only necessary personnel have admin rights, as giving too many users high-level permissions can lead to confusion and security risks. Additionally, ensure that every change in role or access is communicated to your team to avoid any operational disruptions. By following these steps, you can effectively manage the roles within your ClickUp workspace, ensuring that your team operates seamlessly and securely. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, maintaining clarity in roles and permissions can significantly enhance your workflow and team collaboration. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides.